Ahora estás aquí, pues el destino gris. Tú y yo no cabemos en un mismo infierno, así que prefiero largarme muy lejos. Llega la noche, ¿quién reproche? En el coche, quítate ese broche, sé que esta noche tú me éxtasis mover.
Hi, bestie.
Hi, what are we doing?
Yes. Oh, you don't want to be in it? I can take it out.
I'm asking.
Oh no, why not?
Your vision board?
Oh, this is. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a part of the New Year, New Me.
Okay. Hi guys, my name is.
Oh, she's introduced. I haven't even introduced myself like this. Okay, go.
This is a reoccurring character.
My address don't show right.
Oh, I shouldn't.
My name is Juliana. I am
Oh,
this person's cousin.
Okay.
Well, you didn't introduce yourself yet.
What, girl?
I am Aludra's cousin.
There you go.
And they just picked me up and we're on our way to Ocha.
Matcha.
Okay guys, we're at Ocha Matcha. Come on in.
Okay, Juliana's gonna do all the talking. I think. Oh, it's so empty. Oh no, girl. When I saw it on TikTok, it was so packed. First impression. It's like banana milk, right? I've never tried banana milk. It tastes like banana milk. Thoughts? Critiques?
It's good.
It's good. What does yours have in it?
Strawberry cloud.
Strawberry what?
It's called strawberry cloud.
Oh, but it just has strawberry?
It tastes like the Herbalife shake.
She's like tailgating these cars.
She's trying to get to her man.
She's trying to escape from us, I think.
Okay, thoughts on the matcha?
I like it better than go-karts.
What? I think I like Bogarts more. This one's like a little. What is it? Like you can taste the flakes. Not flakes, but like,
Right.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that it tastes like Herbalife.
yeah, you can taste like the texture of the matcha in there.
I didn't like the matcha from. Oh my goodness. Like, this girl in front of us is crazy. I didn't like the matcha from Bogarts, or I guess matcha in general, because it tasted too like leaf.
Yeah, this one didn't.
Yeah, it's like super sweet.
Maybe next time I have to try it. But it has milk, right?
Yeah, I said
Maybe.
too much and I had cheese.
But they didn't have almond milk?
Yeah, but then last time I got almond milk, it tasted too.
Almond milky? Oh, yeah. Almond milk.
So I think
I don't know. I think I need to maybe try this one next time. We'll see.